Hello, how are you today? Today I'm going to talk about the laws. As you know, I have been talking about working with the laws and working with your own mind, and this is the most important knowing that. So today I'm going to talk about the laws. There's laws in the universe world, and we have to know the laws if we are trying to achieve our goals. So we are working around the personal goals, professional goals, as on your purpose. So whatever is your purpose, you are maybe looking for something you would like to achieve. So we are trying to work around the business. So whatever your goals are. So as you know, I have been talking about, you have to know your mind as your own mind. And then, of course, you have to know the laws. So, as you know, there is in the universe world, there is a laws in the universe world. They are working all the time. Whether you know them or you don't know them, that does not really matter, but they are still working. So this is the reason we have to know the laws. If we don't know the laws, we might be working against of themselves. So I wasn't aware of the laws. And since I have done my consulting and I have learned from my mentor, Bob Proctor, and laws are part of as a human being, as our own mind, and everything works according to. So either we are working on negative or we are working on positive. That is a law. And we are the cause and we are the effect. And as cause is how we think, how we feel, and then we take the action. And actions and reaction is always comes back to us as according to the laws. So it's something like boomerang. When we throw something, and then it is always going to come back to us. So we have to know the law. We have to know what is the cause, what is the effect, what is the action, what is the reaction, what comes back. So these around laws really, really important. And I wasn't aware of these laws before, and I didn't know everything comes back to us, how we speak, and the energy goes to the universe world and then always come back to us. And I wasn't aware of it. Now I'm aware of it. I'm very careful and how I'm using my own energy, my thoughts, my feelings, and my actions. I'm very, very careful, even though I'm not perfect. But once you're aware of it, then you can always have the awareness how you're going to use your thoughts, how you're going to use your actions, how you're going to use your the action from the reaction, how is gonna always gonna come back to me. So I'm really, really excuse me, I'm really, really careful now how I going to use these laws. And so even the laws are outside the mind, but we are part of these laws. And everything is in the universe world, you know, everything's polar opposite, either negative or positive. So are we positive all the time or we are negative all the time? So according to that, we are gonna get the results. And so this is the reason we have to know the laws. And you might say, I don't have to know the laws, and I don't really believe them. But that is not the matter. You believe them or you don't believe them, but they are still working. Just like day after day, there's a night comes after night, day comes. It's an automatic process. Same with the laws. It's an automatic process. How we think, how we feel, how we take the action. There's always going to be a result according to how we're using, according to the laws, the energy we are using, and the results always going to be there. So it's not a matter of believing them or not believing them. It's a matter of have the awareness, knowing that they are laws and they are working, and then we have to know them. If you don't know them, you might be working against of yourself, which I did. And I wasn't aware of them. And I never knew the laws are there, and I never knew how they work. I never knew how many laws are there or how do they work. And since I've done my training, and I'm very much aware of these laws now, and I always think twice when I speak or take the action, and they are really helpful around your goals, around your family, around your friends, around the environment. Then you know how to work with these laws, and then you start working according to the laws, not against of the laws. So for my suggestion is try to find how the laws works and try to then start working around your goals. And whatever the goals you're working, personal goals or professional goals, we are trying to build a business here. And whatever your business is, you're trying to achieve the goals. And if you can start working with the laws, and then you're definitely going to see the impact of as a positive. And if you're seeing the result as a negative, that means you are yourself working against of the laws. So because the impact, you can tell the environment, you can tell the results, how you are using your laws. And if you're using these laws on the right purpose and with the right information, definitely you're going to see the positive impact around your goals, whatever the business you're doing. And so I would recommend you to find about the laws and try to use it every single day, at least one law. So you are the cause, you are the effect, you are the action, you are the reaction. And yeah, I think it's very important to know these laws. Hopefully you're going to find about the laws and you're going to try them according to the laws, how the formation and how you think, how you take the action. And because actions is a reaction, and whatever the energy you're using and also always going to come back to you. So hopefully you're going to start using these laws in your business. And I think that's all. If you do need a further help, send me the message on the messenger and book online, ask all the questions around the laws. And please, if you leave the comments, if you think these YouTubes are helping you, and I would love to read your comments. And I think that's all for today. And hopefully you are going to start using your laws around your business, whatever the goals you have, personal goals or professional goals. And yeah, definitely you're going to see the change. And I think that's all I wanted to share with you today. So start working with the laws, find about the laws, how these laws works, and start using the information, the thoughts and action according to the laws. Thank you for watching the YouTube and have a great day. Thank you. Bye.